The Vivo V40 Pro is in the house. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. In today's video, we have the freshly launched Vivo V40 Pro. And you guys know that I have a special place for the Vivo V series in my heart because it's just the phone that has the right mix of looks and also features that I like. Yes, these are the same phones that feature the Aura portrait lighting, and historically they've also come up with phones with features that I definitely appreciate, like powerful selfie cameras or 4K shooting up front. Anyway, that just makes me super curious about what's new with this phone. So in this video, we're gonna be unboxing it. We're gonna be looking at what the new features are. We're also gonna be looking at the cameras, of course. Without further ado, let's unbox. So what's new with the Vivo V40 Pro? First of all, there are 4 50 megapixel cameras on here, 3 rear 50 megapixel shooters, and a 50 megapixel selfie cam. Vivo also claims that this is the thinnest phone with a 5,500 milliamp hour battery. And this thing is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chip. Now, let's take a closer look at this phone. First of all, it really does feel like a sleek phone that is very thin. And I have to say, Vivo's right, you don't really see 5,500 milliamp hour batteries on phones this sleek. Now I have the Moonlight White version. It looks like a very clean phone. There are 2 other colors of this phone, a Meteor Blue and a Stellar Silver. Now this back though, it's quite unique. You get that marbling effect. And on here, those are the 3 rear cameras. You get a main shooter, a wide, and a telephoto. That's also an Aura portrait light, which is a feature that the V series phones are known for. On the right, you get a volume rocker and a power button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C charging, and your SIM tray. That's a clean other side, and up top, it says professional portrait. Let's do a quick camera tour. So on photos, you can do wide 1x, 2x, 4x, and you can zoom up until 50x. And over here, you have different shoot styles. You can do vivid textured or Zeiss natural. Remember, these are Zeiss cameras on this phone. You also get flash options and of course, Aura lighting. And if you're familiar with the Vivo V series Aura lighting, you know that you can adjust the color temperature for this fill light. Now under settings, you also get watermarks, so you get a dedicated Zeiss watermark for the photos you take on this phone. Now on selfie mode, you can get wide 1x, 2x, and you can zoom in until, well, 2x. And then you get an Aura screen light option, which basically is the same as Aura portrait lighting, except the light comes from your screen. Now this is a portrait shooting phone after all. Vivo has said that much, meaning when shooting portraits, you have the option for 24mm, 35, 50, 85, or 100. You also get your different size portrait mode effects, and of course you can toggle the blur. You also get all these different bokeh effects depending on which you choose. So there's a 24mm landscape portrait or a 35 street portrait. This is something that I think I'm gonna try a little later on in this video. Now on selfie portrait, you get the same stuff as selfie photos, except you also get the different Zeiss filter on here. You also get, of course, a night mode on this phone. Now under video, you can shoot up until 4K 60 FPS on this phone, and you can go from wide 1x, 2x up until 10x. On selfie video, you can also shoot on 4K 30 or 60 FPS, and you can do wide 1x, 2x, and up until, well, 2x. Both modes give you some sort of stabilization. On the rear cameras, you get standard or ultra stabilization, and on the selfie camera, you get a steady face mode. You also have a micro movie mode on here, and this is basically that feature that allows you to shoot little clips. So the phone prompts you to shoot whatever clips you need, and it'll stitch it together with effects. And under more, you have high resolution shooter, pano mode, ultra HD document, slow-mo, time-lapse, super moon. Oh, there's an astrophotography, a pro mode, snapshot, food, dual view, and also live photos. Right, let's see some sample shots. And that was the Vivo V40 Pro. Of course, it's just our first look, so if you want to see a camera vlog test or a social media test or even a full review, let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time!